Good day, everyone. So today we are going to talk about the benefits of multimedia and ICT in the 21st century. But first, what is multimedia and ICT? Multimedia refers to the integration of different forms of media such as text, audio, video, images, and animations within a single presentation or experience. While ICT encompasses all technologies used to process, store, retrieve, and share information. This includes computers, networks, software, mobile devices, and the internet. So what are the benefits of multimedia and ICT in the 21st century? Multimedia and ICT have significantly impacted the 21st century, bringing numerous benefits across various aspects of life. Multimedia and ICT have revolutionized education, creating engaging learning experiences. The combination of text, audio, video, and animations allows for a deeper understanding of concepts, making learning more accessible and enjoyable. Multimedia and ICT have also broken down geographical barriers, connecting people worldwide and facilitating communication and collaboration. Multimedia and ICT also helps people to stay informed on current events by spreading news and information effectively. So in conclusion, the benefits of multimedia and ICT are undeniable, transforming education, communication, and entertainment in the 21st century. As technologies continues to evolve, we can expect even greater advancements and innovations in these areas, further shaping our lives and creating new opportunities. And that will be all. Thank you.